Hello everyone. Our project title is Real Time River Water Quality Monitoring. Let me demonstrate how our project has been done. At first, the IBM Cloud account is created. Following that, the IBM Watson IoT platform account is created and the Node-RED account is created. And coming to the IBM Watson IoT platform, a device is created and its parameters have been specified and it is connected. Let's come to the coding part. Here you can see that the same device parameters are specified in the code, and here you can see the values of turbidity and pH level changes on real time. And using Node-RED, the process flow is designed, and yeah, here you can see the flow of process, and here the function is directly taken from the code as global variable. And here you can see the turbidity graph and turbidity meter, pH, same for pH graph and pH meter. Here you can see that two buttons are connected, light on and light off, which has direct effect on the code. The real-time values are updated in the turbidity and pH meter, and the graph is really helpful for analyzing how drastically the change has occurred. When light on is pressed, after some time the light off is pressed. Here you can see in this code the lights are on, the lights are off. Using MIT App Inventor, a basic UA is designed to display the real-time values of turbidity and pH level, and two buttons are present, light on and light off. Moving to the logic block code, the URL from the Node-RED flow are linked here, and after building this app, it is installed on the mobile device. Here you can see the real-time updated values of the parameters to determine the quality of river water. Thank you.